students, this is mathematics class for 10 and today we will do chapter 1 exercise 1.2. Question number 3. Find the LCM and HCF of the following integer by applying the prime factorization method. Okay, with the help of prime factorization method, we have to find out LCM and HCF of the following integers. Okay, so let's start. So question number third, first part. So first what we have to do, we have to make we have to do prime factorization of 12, 15 and 21. First question is 12, 15 and 21. Okay, we have to do factor of 12, 15 and 21. Prime factor we have to do. Prime factor you can do like that also. 2 6 are 12, 2 3 are 3 1 are. So you can write 2 into 2 into 3. You can write 1 also. 2 into 2 into 3 into 1. You know that 1 is a factor of all the numbers. All. Okay, so now we will write this one in terms of power. 2 square, power 1, 3 single power here. 3 as it into 1. Same way we will do factorization of 15. Directly you can do 3 into 5 into 1. So here single power you have. Power of 3 is 1, power of 5 is 1 and 1 is 1. 7 3 is 21. So 3 into 7 into 1. Power 1, power 1. Okay. Earlier I told you that when you have to find out HCF. Here it comes LCM and HCF. So first we will find out LCM. For LCM what you have to do? You have to take product of greatest power of all the prime factor. LCM of 12, 15 and 21. LCM of 12, 15 and 21. What will be the LCM of 12, 15 and 21? So what we have to take? Largest power. Largest exponent we have to choose of all prime factor. Largest power lena hai. So let's start this one and this one. Here 2 square only here and here not looking any factor of 2. So we will write 2 square. 2 square. ये largest power है 2 का. Then 3. Here power 1. Here also power 1. Here also power 1. 3 power 1 or only 3 you can say common. So we will write only one time. And here only 1 power of 3. So that will be largest. एक ही power है 3 का. Okay. Largest power of 3. After that 5. Only 1 5 here. 5 raised to the power 1. So 5 into 5 power 1. And after that 7. 7 also single power here. 7 power raised to the power 1. Or simply you can write like that also. 2 square into 3 into 5 into 7. Okay. After that we will calculate these all. So what we will get? 2 2 are 4 15 into 7. If you calculate these all, so you will get 15 4 just 60 into 7, so 0 and 7 6 are 42. 420. 420 will be LCM of 12, 15 and 21. Okay. Very simple question. You can do easily this one. These are given integers. First you have to make prime factor of these integers. Okay. We done prime factorization. After that we have to write in term of power. Okay. We written in term of power. For LCM. For LCM. You have to choose greatest power of all the prime factor. Okay, greatest power choose करना है. तो 2 यहाँ पे only in this one there is 2. So and power is 2 here. So we written this one. After that we will take next factor, that is 3. 3 raised to the power 1, 3 raised to the power 1, 3 raised to the power 1. 3 is common here. So we will write only one time. After that we will look next prime factor, that is 5. इसका पावर भी 1 ही है. दूसरा कोई 5 का फैक्टर आपके पास है नहीं, तो that is largest. And after that 7. And after that we will multiply these all. So your answer will be 420. Now we have to find out SCF. SCF of 12, 15 and 21. SCF. What you will do for SCF? We have to choose lowest power or least power of common factor. Least power of common factor you have to choose. Smallest power we have to choose. Least power of common factor. Firstly we have to choose common factor. 3 here, 3 here, 3 here and 3 here. So 3 is common factor in all and power is 1. Here only 3 raised to the power 1. Firstly you have to choose common factor. Common factor आपको क्या मिला? 3 और 3 raised to the power 1. अब आप देखेंगे only one factor here of 3. So यही largest भी होगा, यही smallest भी होगा इसमें. तो we will write this one. क्योंकि एक ही factor है 3 का, 3 raised to the power 1. If there will be 3 square anywhere and 3 raised to the power 1, so we have to choose smaller one. Lowest or smallest we have to choose, which has smallest power. So here 3 raised to the power 1 or simply you can write 3. So SCF of these integers is 3 and LCM is 420. Same way we will do next question. Okay, next question is 17, 23 and 29. Simple question. First we have to make prime factor. 17 equals to and 23 equals to and 29 equals to. 17 is a prime number, so 17 into 1. Okay, 23 also prime number, so 23 into 1. You know that prime have only 2 factors. And 29 also prime, so 29 into 1. Firstly, we have to find out LCM. LCM. For LCM, what we will do? LCM of 17, 23, 29. You have have to write like that. Bracket, within bracket, bracket means of 17, 23 and 29. So what is method for LCM? Largest power of all the prime factor. Largest power. So you are looking 17 only one time here. So power is 1. 23 also only one time. So power is 1. And 29 also only one time. So power will be 1. So you have to write all the prime factor with the highest power और largest power. तो यहाँ पे 17 एक ही बार है तो यही इसका हाईएस्ट पावर होगा. 23 भी ओनली वन टाइम तो यही इसका हाईएस्ट पावर होगा. 29 भी ओनली वन टाइम है तो यही इसका हाईएस्ट पावर होगा. यू कैन राइट सिंपली 17 into 23 into 29. ऐसे भी आप लिख सकते हो. और if you are not getting well तो you can write firstly like that. पहले पावर की टर्म में लिखे and then 17 into 23 into 29. Okay, we have to multiply these all and after multiplying we will get, when you multiply these all you will get 11,339. You will get LCM of 17, 23 and 29 is 11,339. Okay. Okay. When you multiply these 17 into 23 into 29, you will get this one. Okay, now we have to find out HCF. HCF of 17, 23 and 29. 17, 23 and 29. Okay. So what you will get? For HCF, we have to choose least power of common factor. HCF के लिए हमें क्या लेना होगा? Common factor we have to choose with its least power. अब इसमें कॉमन क्या है? 1 here, 1 here, 1 here. Only one is common factor और 1 with their least power. 1 का power 1 ही है. So what will be HCF? That will be 1. HCF के लिए आपको कॉमन चूज करना है with their least power. Here only 1 is common, so HCF of 17, 23 and 29 is 1. Okay, so like that you will solve second question. Now coming third question. Third question, third part we have to do. Third question, third part. Question number 3, solution of third part. Question is 8, 9 and here 25. 25. So firstly we will do prime factorization of these numbers. Okay, we have to do prime factorization of these numbers. So 8 we can write 2 into 2 into 2. And you know that 1 is factor of all the number. So in term of power or exponent, how you will write? Power 1, So 2 raised to the power 3 or 2 cube. Base same, so power added into 1. Okay. Next 9. 3 into 3 into 1. 3. Power 1, power 1. Base same, power added. 3 square into 1. 25. 5 into 5 into 1. Power 1, power 1. So 5 square into 1. Okay. Prime factorization done. First step, you have to do prime factorization of given integer. So we done prime factorization of given integer. After that, we have to find out LCM. LCM of 8, 9 and 25. Sorry, LCM. Firstly, we are finding out LCM. So LCM of 8, 9 and 25. What will be LCM of 8, 9 and 25? So you know that for LCM we have to take largest power of all the prime factor. Okay, we have to take all the prime factor with their largest power. So you are looking 2 cube. 2 cube only in first one. 2 cube है तो ये इसका largest होगा. And 3 only one time and largest power इसका 3 square हो गया. ये भी एक ही बार है तो ये इसका largest होगा. And 5 square also one time तो यही इसका largest होगा. Okay. You want to write 1 so you can write, otherwise no need. So 8 into 9 into 25. 25 8 ja 200. 25 into 8 200 into 9. 9 to ja 18 and 2 0 here. So LCM of 8, 9 and 25 is 1800. Okay. You have to multiply these all, so you will get 1800. Now we will find out HCF. HCF of 8, 9 and 25. HCF of 8, 9 and 25. So you know for HCF we have to choose common factor with its least power. Common factor लेना है with its least power. So what is common factor here? You are looking 2 cube only here, 3 square only here, 5 square only here. So you are looking 1, 1, 1. So what is common factor here? That is 1 and least power 1 का क्या है? 1 ही है.